Spice up your favorite dishes when you explore all of the cooktop features of the Electrolux dual fuel range. First, make sure the burner components and grates have been properly installed and positioned. For both models, the raised side of the grate should always face the back guard. On the 30-inch model, the black burners should be placed on the rear of the cooktop and the brass burners on the front left and right. The fish burner should be placed in the center. Make sure you align the flame spreader crown recesses to the igniters and place the burner cover onto the flame spreader crowns. Now, let's place the cooktop grates. Position the right and left grates, followed by the central grate. Note, make sure the raised side of the grate always faces the back guard. For the dual fuel range, the ideal cookware should have a flat bottom, straight sides, a tight-fitting lid, and medium to heavy thickness. Cookware properties are a factor in how quickly and evenly heat is distributed, which affects cooking results. Refer to your use and care manual for more information on different types of cookware. All the appliances, controls, and monitoring devices are located together on the front panel. The burner controlled by each knob is shown by a marking on the bottom left of the knob. To begin using a burner, first place your cookware on the burner. Then, push the knob in and turn it counterclockwise to the ignite position. All the electronic igniters will click at the same time, but only the burner corresponding to the knob you are turning will ignite. Check that the burner is lit. If the burner does not ignite after 15 seconds, turn it to the off position and wait 5 minutes to try again. When the burner is lit, keep the knob pressed in for a few seconds to allow the thermocouple to heat up. Then, turn the knob to set your desired flame size. Note, do not cook while the burner is set to the ignite position. The type of cooktop burners your range has will vary by model. On the 30-inch model, only the front brass burners are of the dual flame type. The black burners and fish burner are all single flame. Single flame burners can be adjusted to high, medium, or low. Dual flame burners can be adjusted to high or low for both the outer and inner rings. All dual flame burners have a simmer function that is useful for melting foods or cooking small quantities of food. To activate, start with both the inner and outer rings lit. Then, turn the knob counterclockwise to lower the outer flame until you run into a stop. Next, push the knob in again and continue turning counterclockwise. The outer flame will turn off, leaving the inner flame ignited. Note, the inner ring will be lit when you light the outer ring on either high or low flame settings. It is not possible to light the outer ring without lighting the inner one. All burners on the 36-inch model are dual flame. Now that you've learned how to operate the burners on your dual fuel range, you're ready to start exploring new recipes and expanding your culinary creativity. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online on the Electrolux website. For better living, Electrolux.